assistant buyer with Anthropologie. Today, Judith and I are going to show you how to upgrade your own holiday wreath. Making the wreath is really simple. The wreath acts like a woven canvas so you can put your foliage in where you'd like. What you're going to need is an Anthropologie faux wreath, an Anthropologie faux garland that we've tied around the wreath and secured it with wire, a good pair of clippers, some foliage that you've snipped from your garden, and some dried Anthropologie flowers. So I'm just wrapping the eucalyptus around the base of the wreath to make it look fuller and greener. Add a bit of padding. Smaller foliage leaves you can add in as well with the flowers to bring brighter greens in. And then use your dried flowers in the middle to pop up colour. It's best to put them at an angle so that they stick into the wreath. And that's it. Thank you for watching.